What up, y'all? So if you're posting on TikTok, you out there, you try to get out the bag, but you ain't making no money, you're not getting paid off your content. Listen, this video is for you. It's not your fault. It's not that TikTok is saturated. It's most likely that you haven't learned this one simple strategy that most people are not taught. Now, make sure that you stay to the end of this video because I have a bonus tip that is going to explode your TikTok. It's going to explode your following, explode your engagement, and get you more sales and leads for whatever your product or service is. All right. So if you guys are new here, my name is Braheem.Larke. I teach digital marketing and online income strategies. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So one of the biggest problems that I see people do is they try to post things that they think are entertaining, but TikTok don't work like that, right? TikTok actually rewards you on intent. So what you want to actually do, more people that watch your video all the way through on TikTok, TikTok's going to push your content out to more people just like that. So what do I mean by intent-based content, right? So the first thing is that your content has to speak to a problem. So I don't care what you guys are selling. If you're selling weight loss products, if you're selling digital products like me, if you're trying to sell digital equipment that helps people create content easier, you want to make sure that your video has a hook that speaks to that problem, right? So if I sell digital products, what I'm going to do is speak to my audience and show them how my digital products will actually solve their problem, right? So what I might say is, are you having a hard time paying your bills? Watch this. If you want to get more time back with your family and earn money while doing it, then watch this, right? For fat loss, weight loss, if you're tired of not being able to get up off the couch without your knees hurting, watch this video. You want to make sure that your video speaks to a clear problem. The bottom line is, if your video does not solve a problem within the first 3 seconds of your video, that person is forget about it. They scanned, they went right through your shit. So you want to make sure that you're solving the problem within the first 3 seconds of your video. So the second thing is you want to make sure your video has a clear promise, meaning your product or service. You want to make sure in your video, you have a clear promise within that video. So you want to say things like, watch this if, this is how to fix. If you want to do this, then watch this. Your video does not have to be perfect, but it does have to be clear in the problem that it solves. Number three, you want to make sure that your video has a clear call to action. People need to be told what to do. So like in your video, you'll say, watch for part 2, or link in bio, or comment yes in the comments for more information. What this does, y'all, is that it drives engagement. Engagement is king. You want to make sure that people are engaged with your video because the more engagement you have, TikTok's going to push your video out to more people. So you want to make sure, and this is how you actually get people to go to your website, get people to go to your product page. You want to drive traffic, and you're only going to drive traffic by giving a clear call to action. So let me share my screen with you. All right, so let's go to my TikTok page. And you guys are going to see, so this is my page. I got 22,300 followers on this page. This is completely organic traffic that I grew just from creating videos and driving people. So here's a video that worked really well and got 110 views, but that's not even what we really care about. If we go to the insights on this page, let's go to the insights, forget the likes, but look how many comments I got, right? And what I did in this video, 3 things that can make you 30K in the next 3 months, right? That's my hope, right? Now, oh, here's my analytics. So check this out. This video, right? Check these analytics out. This video got me, the average watch time was 21 minutes, 18 seconds, right? 7% of the people watched the full video, but this is what I care about. I got 4,600 new followers from this video. So what do? I make more videos just like this one, right? Because this is the traffic source. And look at where the traffic source, this is what I mean by that tip that that bonus tip, what actually blows you up. This is how you get on the For You page. But if you look at this For You, 96.6% of this traffic came from the For You page. That means that my video was showing up on people's For You page. And that's how I got so much traffic to this video. I got so many leads off of this video, guys. I made about $3,000 off of this one video. And that's what I'm talking about. I don't even have a huge following, right? My following isn't that big at all. But what I did was I was able to solve somebody's problem. I was able to catch them with a problem, right? In that video, I was show how my product solved that problem. And then I had a call to action, which led people to my website. And that's how you drive traffic. Once you understand traffic, monetization becomes much simpler. Because this is the thing, you don't need 10 products. All you need is one system, one message, and consistency. This is why structured programs work, right? This is why structured programs exist, because it takes out all of the guesswork and it gives you a step-by-step daily routine to do every single day to keep you consistent. So this is some action steps that you can do right now today. So what I want you to do is write down 3 problems that you think your audience has, right? Make a separate TikTok video for each problem. So you're going to make 3 60-second videos for each problem. And then what you're going to do is when you post them, you're going to start tracking not the likes, don't get you paid, attention does, right? You're going to start tracking the engagement and how many new followers you got from that video. Once you see whichever video gave you the most followers, you're going to want to keep making videos just like that one. Another mistake that people make is they think they have to come up with something new all the time. If you're trying to sell a product or service, guys, think about commercials. Think about how Burger King works or Nike works. You see the same ad 1,000 times, right? So if you find something that's gaining you new followers, there's 50 billion people a day on TikTok. Change your hat, change your shirt, but keep the message the same. Keep the structure the same, keep everything the same, and keep making those same videos. This is how you gain trust. This is how you drive more traffic to your website, to your product page, and this is how you start building a connection with your audience. All right, so now it's time for the bonus tip. So I recorded a short video. This tip is how you use TikTok's SEO feature to actually gain more views, more engagement on your videos, how you pop up in the For You page. And this is how you get your videos seen. I'm telling you, watch this and you try this tip tonight because you will see your videos explode. Check it out. How you use TikTok's SEO feature. So you're going to go to your home screen and you're going to click the search. And now type in whatever your niche is or anything around what your video is about. I teach people easy ways to make money online. So let's just type in easy ways to make money online, right? And then when you hit the search, you'll see a whole bunch of videos.
So you guys want to know.
So tap the search. Then what you do is you take a screenshot, and makes it way easier, right? So you take a screenshot, then you're going to go over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you're going to put in the screenshot, and you're going to say, type these words out so I can copy and paste them for SEO on my TikTok video. Right? ChatGPT is going to type out all the words for you. Right? They type all those out. So then you're going to copy all these words. And then you're going to go back to your TikTok video. Now I already have one in drafts already, okay?
Listen, if this is on your For You.
So I have one in draft already. You open up the video, then you just use the text, copy them there, and then you're going to shrink them down and move them to the side. And what happens is TikTok uses those words to put your video in front of the people that search for those words, just like you saw in my video right at the top there. That's how you use the SEO feature in TikTok. All right, so that extra tip was fire, wasn't it? Man, I'm telling you, try that tonight. And so if you guys like this video, if this helped you, make sure that you hit the like button so that more people see it. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss another video from me. I go ahead and I usually drop a video once a week that's going to give you some more tips and tricks that you can use across all different social media platforms. So, and if you want a step-by-step blueprint, if you don't have a product or service to sell, right? And you want a step-by-step blueprint on how to do this more, then just click the link in the description. I'm going to send you a 10K and 30-day guide to your email. Make sure you put in your best email. Don't see it. Make sure you check your promotions. Make sure you check your spam. Move it into your primary inbox so that you won't miss another email from me, because I'm going to be sending very cool stuff in the next few days. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.